Hi, this is Baruch. In this tutorial, I show you an easy way of adding captions to your videos. Video I have here is a girl reciting a poem. I have therefore written down the poem in a text file, line by line, so that it will be easy to enter them in the captions text box. What I will do is, at the beginning of each line of the poem, I will enter a marker on the timeline by pressing M on the keyboard. These markers will serve as guides for where each of the captions will start. So let's go ahead and do that.
Grandma Pussycat, what do you want? A pint of milk. Where is your money? It's in my pocket. Where is your pocket? I've forgotten. Oh, you silly, silly pussycat.
So I've put the markers at every place where a new line of the poem starts. The next thing to do is to go to the project panel, new item, and click on it. Then select captions. Now we have two types of captions. We have open captions and closed captions. For the open captions, they will be embedded in the video and you will not be able to remove them later on. It will be part of the video forever. But the closed captions, you have the option of turning them off and turning them on. Anybody that watches the video can turn them on or off. So all these ones, the CEA 608 up to the Australian, are closed captions, but we are adding open captions to the video. So you select open caption and then click OK. So you come to the project panel and drag the captions to the timeline on top of the video and expand it to the end. Okay, so you can see that the captions has appeared on the video. It has appeared on the video, showing where it will appear if you put the captions in. Okay, so what we'll do is to go to the captions side and then begin to type in our captions. Now when you come to the Captions Editor, we've been given the opportunity to select the type of font we want to use and the shape and size. I prefer Arial, so Arial is there, and the regular size. Then you also have the opportunity to align them, either left align, center align, or right align. Then you have the opportunity to bolden your text, to italize it. Then you also can add music sign to your captions. You can change the background color and then the text color. Then you can also give an edge color to your text. Then you can also select where your caption should appear. As you can see, these boxes here indicate where you can put your captions. The one chosen is the lower center, so you can choose any of them by clicking any of the boxes here. When you click them, it changes the position of the caption. I prefer the lower end. I will change my background color to orange. And my text is the font is white. Okay, so I enter my first caption, and it's as I've written it, it's ratatata, a copy, and I paste it there. Okay, ratatata. Okay, so it will appear at the first marker where she begins to say it. So what I'll do is that I'll pull the caption to it. Okay, so that is where it begins, and then it ends at the next marker where the new caption begins. For the playhead to move to the next marker, you can click on Shift and M, or you can use the mouse pointer to click on the marker and the playhead will shift there. Okay, so this is where the new caption is to appear. So what you do is to come to the caption panel and click on Add Caption. Okay, so when you click on Add Caption, you select the next line of the poem, copy, and then paste it here. Or if you know the line, you type it straight into it and it appears. Then you can also drag it to where it will end. Okay, and move the playhead to the new marker and add a new caption to it. Copy and paste. Copy, paste. Add another one. Copy and then paste. As all the captions have now been entered, you can go ahead the video to see the caption appear.
Who is that? Only Grandma Pussycat. What do you want?
So the captions are appearing as I want it. And export it. So you go to export media. Since it's an open caption, it gives you the option of bending the captions into the video. So it will bend the caption into the video. So when you come here, what you do is to click on export, and that is it.